Which of the following will be least helpful in addressing the concern cited in the highlighted text? The highlighted text talks about the generation of solar energy being very small, and throughout the second paragraph, it elaborates on this particular aspect. So we need to answer this question in the context of the second paragraph. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, efficient energy retaining batteries. Do we have this reference in the second paragraph? The second paragraph mentions that currently intermittency is a problem and batteries are being developed to solve that problem. So efficient batteries will help in increasing the share of solar electricity. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, large energy supply. The second paragraph mentions that the technologies have matured such that they have the potential of becoming competitive for large energy supply. So if we have a technology for large energy supply, it is going to help in increasing the share of solar electricity. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, inexpensive and high efficiency photovoltaic devices. The passage mentions that low cost and high efficiency photovoltaic devices are being developed. So if these devices are developed, they are going to help in increasing the share of solar electricity. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, the cost of traditional fuel. The passage mentions that one of the reasons for the small share of solar electricity is cheap fossil fuels, and it also says that another challenge from a scientific viewpoint is finding new solutions for solar energy systems to become less capital intensive, which is again talking about cost, and more efficient. So the two challenges that the second paragraph cites are cost and efficiency. So if the cost part is taken care of, that means if the cost of traditional fuel increases, it does not necessarily suggest that the share of solar electricity will automatically increase. The efficiency also has to increase. So this answer choice is likely not going to address the problem. Good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice E, highly promising thermal storage devices. Again, the second paragraph mentions that intermittency is a problem and thermal storage devices are being developed. So the development of thermal storage devices are likely to increase the share of solar energy. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.